Indicator 5 states that educators will shape, advance, and accelerate a shared vision for empowered learning with technology by engaging with education stakeholders. Some examples they give is to participate on committees, voicing thoughts on educational technology policy to national and state leaders, collaborating with colleagues, and leading by example. For this artifact, I'm going to share my participation on the EdTech Coaches Leadership. Our group of coaches have a shared vision for successful coaching and the importance of developing relationships with our teachers. We have our ISTE Connect page here that you can see has discussion, a library, coming up events, and where you can find our members and leaders. But we also have Twitter, where we connect a lot on book studies, monthly Twitter chats, and people can just ask general questions to get quick answers by putting them on Twitter. I will also be voicing my personal thoughts on educational technology at several conferences in 2020. I'm presenting at FETC in January, a fast-paced 40 and 40 about using games in the elementary classroom. In February, I'm presenting at TCEA first, and I'm presenting 2 workshops, one highlighting various Microsoft tools and another demonstrating 10 device-agnostic gaming tools that will work on any device. And finally, at P&C, I'm going to be highlighting a 50 and 50 related to formative assessment and gaming. I will also be attending the ISTE 2020 conference in Anaheim, although I'm not sure if my single sessions have been accepted. I will be actively participating in the planning of the ISTE conference and PLN events for the networking fair, PLN playground, and annual meeting. The meeting and events for the PLN all have the shared vision of being an effective EdTech coach. As part of being a leader, I'm also going to begin the role of president of the PLN as of July 1st, 2020. I'm currently the incoming president for the EdTech coaches. One other way that I'm a leader that's offering a shared vision to empower learning with technology is from my Microsoft Master Training certification. This means that I've trained over 400 people on various Microsoft tools, and I'll be continuing my trainings in 2020. I do trainings both online and at conferences independently. A final way that I am leading to promote a shared vision and voicing thoughts on educational technology is by leading and moderating a book study related to the book Learning Transported that talks about augmented, virtual, and mixed reality. I'll be guiding a group of 40 participants through this book study during the months of January and February. I will collaborate with 3 other EdTech coaches to lead this book study. All of these examples demonstrate leading and empowering learning with technology. I'm on committees, presenting at conferences, leading by example, and collaborating with other colleagues. All examples provided within this standard.